Hello, hello, hello. Well, here we are again. And today, well, you can't see me, can you? You can't see me, but you can see my hands because I want you to concentrate on what's on the table. Today, we're looking at words with only 2 sounds. So we have chosen 6 words. This is chair, door, cow, arm, bear and egg. Now if you look here, we have all the sounds that we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's right, because we said there were 2 sounds per word. But there's a lot of letters here, aren't there? Because remember, sometimes 2 letters go together to make a sound, and sometimes 3 letters go together to make a sound. What we're going to do is we're going to take, for example, B, and we're going to see which word begins with B. Do you think it's chair? What about door? Cow? Arm? Bear? Bear, that's right. So this word, bear, begins with B. And B is 1 sound and 1 letter, isn't it? Let's take another one. This time we're going to take K. Chair, door, cow, cow, that's right. So cow begins with K, and again it's 1 sound, 1 letter. Now we're taking D. Chair, door, yes, door begins with D. Now let's see, we have E. Chair, arm, egg, yes, that's right, E. So, if you look at these, we have D, 1 sound, 1 letter, K, 1 sound, 1 letter, B, 1 sound, 1 letter, E, 1 sound, 1 letter. But now we're going to take 2 letters together which make the sound ch. So, ch, that's right, chair. Okay, and this one, there's only 1 left, isn't there? So I think it goes with arm. Okay, so in all of these, there's an initial sound, but sometimes they have 2 letters. Right, now we're going to finish the words because we said there were only 2 sounds in each word. So if we take air, let's see, yes, together it says chair. Okay, now can you remember how sometimes we need to be detectives? Because here we have ear, but in fact it's air in disguise. So if this is air, we don't say dare or care or our air, but we say bear. So that together makes the word bear. Ow! Do you remember the sound ow? Now which one do you think ends with ow? Dow? Cow? Yes. Right, now this time at the end we only have 1 sound. It can't be dm, can it? But we can say arm. Right. This one is or because they don't let this one speak, but or lets it stand next to them, and we have door. So there's just one left, g. Together they sound g. And there's only one left, isn't there? So what do you think it is? That's right, egg. So now we have created our 6 words, but do you realise this one has 2 sounds, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. This one has 2 sounds, d, or, but it has 1, 2, 3, 4 letters. This one has 2 sounds, k, ow, 1, 2, 3. Arm, 2 sounds, 3 letters. Bear, 2 sounds, b, air, 1, 2, 3, 4 letters. And the last one, egg, 2 sounds, but 1, 2, 3 letters. So as you can see, sounds are sometimes made up of more than 1 letter. I hope you like that. Bye-bye.